Hello, brothers and sisters in the Lord. It's Chi again with another video. I'm coming on really quickly because, well, first of all, I have a video that I've been trying to release since the 2nd of October. It has been nothing but mess. I mean, I have never seen such what looks like almost sabotage as far as trying to get it out. I'm just trying to put media to the video and get it to format correctly. It's been a really strange situation. However, I'm praying that by God's grace in the morning, that video will be posted. However, during my time of prayer, I received a very, very urgent word. Well, I was shown something that I believe is urgent. So I saw a very large, overly filled cloud that looked kind of like a balloon, a cloud balloon or something like that. It was large. And after I saw it, it was a bluish grayish cloud. And after I saw it, I heard cumulonimbus cloud. So I thought to myself, what the heck is a cumulonimbus cloud? Like, I've heard the term before, but what is it? I went to Google and did a quick search on cumulonimbus clouds, and exactly what I saw in the vision right before typing it into Google was exactly what I saw in Google Images. I even circled the cumulonimbus cloud that looked very similar to what I saw. Long story short, these clouds can be very dangerous. They're an indication of a coming storm, a more than likely severe storm, severe weather, whether it be tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, lightning storms, hailstorms, and the sort. However, I believe this to be more of a spiritual storm. This is concerning God's judgment on the earth. That's what I'm perceiving heavily. In fact, I did not want to include this because I didn't want it to be mistaken for a crypto word. But after I saw this large, massive cloud, I saw a boat, what looked like a boat, but this boat had a covering on it, maybe like something similar to that of a slave ship. And when the covering was lifted off or opened up, I saw that it was jam-packed with people. Like, these people were packed like sardines in this boat, this wooden boat. So, guys, take that for what you will. I think this is deeper than crypto. I think this is deeper than wealth transfer. I think this is something far more serious. So, yeah, I know that I have released words with BNBTIGER and there being this association with a boat. However, that tiger was always on the deck, and I can't recall seeing any people on the boat with the tiger. It was always the tiger and treasures being spilled out as the boat was going down and coming back up, and the only being affected was the tiger. In this case, I saw the massive cumulonimbus cloud, and then I saw what I just described, a boat jam-packed with people, packed like sardines in this boat. So I don't know if this is pertaining to an exodus or God creating a way of an escape for his people as he did for Noah. Potentially, I don't know, but these are things that need to be prayed into seriously. So the Lord is speaking about a storm, and you guys know I released that video, the message, the shaking, the quaking, and the storm, last year at around this time, maybe in September, and then I released it again just 2 months ago or something like that. Shaking, quaking, now the storm has arrived, guys. We need to make our abode in the secret place of the Most High. We need to definitely get in line with him, close intimacy with him. We need to do whatever it is we can to ensure that we constantly have oil in our lamps and that we are ready when the bridegroom comes, however that may look or however that may present itself. Guys, in the word that I'm trying to release, I do believe it is a wealth transfer word. However, there are several other things, stipulations, and things of the sort that accompany that word. And again, me just trying to include the media has been a mess. Please pray for me so that that word can come out before dawn. Before the sun rises, I will be up all night trying to work through the issues surrounding that word. But yeah, I had to get this out immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the few people who have donated to my ministry, sown into my ministry. I sincerely appreciate it with a full heart. I thank you. I ask the Lord to bless you and to rain down his abundance unto you in every area of your life, to perfect all that concerns you, and to do far, far more for you than you even know how to ask. In Jesus' name. Many blessings to you and yours. Till next time, Chi.